Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you don't know how to share large files on WhatsApp, this video is for you. In this video, we will show you how to share large files on WhatsApp. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp from your mobile device. Now choose a chat to share a file. For example, we open this chat. Now click on Files icon from the bottom. Here you will see different options: document, camera, gallery, audio, location and contact. Click on document. Now click on browse other docs on the top and choose any file that you want to share. You can scroll down to choose your desired file. For example, you choose this file of 289 MBs. Click on send. Well, the file is ready to go. Generally, we can't share the videos of more than 17 MBs, but in this way we can share the videos of hundreds of MBs. This is the simple and easy way to share large files on WhatsApp. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.